Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful, creative and amazing design ideas. Yes, you have heard me right. All of these are very beautiful, pretty, simple, easy to make borderline embroidery designs. All of these hemline embroidery designs, borderline embroidery designs or embroidery borders could be used for a wide variety of for a wide variety of reasons. I'm going to show you different type of 10 ways how you can use them. First of all, you can use them for baby girl dresses. Then you can use them for making hemline, neckline, different type of kurti designing ideas. Then you can use them for sleeves, borders. Then you can use them for trouser borders. Then you can use them for your stall or scarf, dupatta or sari pallus as well. Even you can design these in a double, single, parallel fashion to design a very beautiful neckline of your blouse. Also, you can design them for a number of other DIY reasons, like you can design these very beautiful borders onto your prayer mats, onto your glasses covers, onto your handbags, onto your handmade, hand knitted crochet items. Also, you can design these creative patterns of borderline embroidery onto your cushion covers, onto your pillow covers, onto your bed sheets. Then you can design your curtains by following these very beautiful borders of embroidery. Quilt covers could be designed, tablecloths could be beautified and enhance their creativity, and different type of decor items could be designed with the help of these. So these are the different ideas through which you can make use of these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. I hope that you like the ideas. If you really like the ideas and the video, then don't forget to like and comment below in the comment section which design you like the most. And keep supporting us, keep loving us, keep watching our content as you always have been. With your love and support, we have reached at this level, and with your love and support, we will continue to grow. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming videos.